Hey there! Today I want to show you how nonprofits can use Formaloo to build their tools and make their work go on. So you can get to formaloo.com and go to the footer, and here you will see a link to nonprofits page. And here are some description about the nonprofits and how Formaloo can help them. We've already built the essentials of nonprofit management software, so you can just install and use them. Here are some tools and some templates you can benefit for your nonprofit organization. So for example, the fundraising, I'll click on the use template. Let's actually open it in a new tab. Pick the template and edit it for yourself. I'll just say, I'll just delete the copy of in the title. You can change the description here, add your logo up here, or just remove this photo. You can add background photo in the appearance tab. And also, you can change the fields. For example, you don't want to ask the name of the partner or the one who's nominating or applying for the partnership. You can just delete this field or duplicate it and edit the data of that. So for example, I'll click on this and I want to say your full name because I want to ask the full name and I want to make sure that they are writing down their full name, and I want to make it required. So it's mandatory to fill in to submit the form. And you can edit the form based on your requirements, save it, and use it. So I have saved this form. I'll get back to my dashboard by clicking on the Formaloo logo, and here is my form. You can create a folder inside your dashboard. For example, I'll name my folder nonprofit. You can add color to it and voila. So here is my folder. You can create folders inside folders and manage the access to each folder. For example, you have a team of volunteers and you want to manage who has access to which form. You can drag this form and drop it into the nonprofits folder and it will be moved to the nonprofits folder. You can edit your form or view the responses on it. You can embed it into your website too. By clicking on the share, you will see some blocks here. You can click on the script or iframe and get the code, copy the code, and paste it into your website. That's simple. Also, you can add a widget, which looks like this. It's like a chatbot. You can embed it into your website. You can change its design, move it to a single step, which shows all the questions all at once. I like a side widget on the left or like bottom left. And here is how it looks. So you can click on the get code button, copy it and paste it into your website. And it's that simple. So I'll get back to my folder. You can create forms inside this folder by clicking on this plus button. And you can create any form, any forms from scratch or from the templates and move it into this folder. And you can give access, as I said, for example, I want to say I have a folder for operations inside my nonprofit folder, and you can manage access to it. So you will write down the email address here and change the access type from like read only, which has only access to the responses and can view the form. Everybody can view the form, of course, but this one can also view the responses to the form. This one can edit the form and edit the responses. This one has full access to responses, plus edit apps and forms, edit the form, full access to responses, plus edit and delete apps and forms. And this one is full ownership. You can give full ownership to as many users as you need, and you can manage access to as many users as you want based on your team requirements and etc. Also, here happens the same at the form access management. It's just the same. And yeah, so you can edit your form and add calculator to it, add logic to it. I'll show you how logic works. For example, my same form, here is a very simple logic. It just moves the user from each question to the next. But I want to add some logic. For example, I want to say after full name, always do something. Always show a specific question or hide a specific question. Or if the full name was something like this, then do this. It doesn't matter for full name, but for example, I want to do it on company position. If the company position, for example, contains marketing, then do something, show a question or hide a question. Or you can redirect the user after submit to a specific link, which you can write down here. So this is how it works. It's pretty simple and pretty useful for when you want to add logic to your forms. So I'll show you what other templates are looking like. You can add volunteer registration. Let me open it in a new tab. Yeah, the volunteer registration is also very simple to use and very helpful for nonprofits especially. I'll save it and go to the form to show you how it is. It's a single step form. If you want to change it to a multi-step form, just get to the appearance tab and change it to multi-step. And you can also change the colors, change the background image, make it a cover. Let me show you how cover looks like. Here it was background. When I refresh it, you will see that it's a cover now. And you might want to use it for some cases based on your design and specific requirements. So yeah, this is how it looks, and your volunteers can apply to be a volunteer at your nonprofit. Also, you can use Formaloo to build tools to track team plan or registration at your events, or do application management. And for example, you want some people to apply for your nonprofit to help, and you will review their applications. Or you can receive feedback using these templates, or manage programs, different programs as you wish, and also nominate speakers, for example, at your events or at your meetings or gatherings. You can allow people nominate speakers, and you can review those speakers. So these are the basic tools you could use and customize for your needs. They are very helpful. They've been used by many nonprofits so far. And if you wanted to build any other tool that meet your requirements, just let us know, create them, and send it to us, and we will add them to our templates on your name and your nonprofit name. And we want to help nonprofits because they're out there helping the world and changing the world. So we want to help them and be there for nonprofits. So let me know if you have created any creative tool on Formaloo, and share it with me at info@formaloo.com, or just comment its link under this YouTube video. And let me know what you think about Formaloo dashboard, how are you using it, and how creative are you in Formaloo. So if you also had any questions, just let me know, comment down below, and I'll answer them right away. And hope you enjoyed this video, and bye for now.